You will learn how to free up space on iPhone from this video. Let's just get right into it. First is to get to the settings of your iPhone. So I'll tap on mine. On this settings page, the next step is to tap on General. Then tap on iPhone storage. You can see here I have 50.58 gigabytes of 64 gigabytes used, meaning that I have about 13 gigabytes free space left here, and it's not a good one. So let's start freeing up of the space. The first is recently deleted album. All right, so when you delete if a photo or a video or any file from the Photos app, it gets saved inside a place called recently deleted album. All right, so it's left for you to clear it, and it stays there for 30 days before it gets automatically cleared. Because we want to free up space, we want to delete it now. So tap on empty. Then it says this will permanently delete the selected items. This action can't be undone. Tap on delete from this iPhone. And this is freed up. All right, so you can see here now we have now improved storage. All right, which we have now 50.27 of 64 gigabytes used. So we have about more storage, like 14 right now. Now let's look at another way through which we can free up space. Then scroll down on this page, you will see some apps that are taking your space. Number one here is WhatsApp, and that's where we're going to face it now. So we are talking about Method 2 now. So I'll get to the home and get to my WhatsApp. I'll tap on it. Once your WhatsApp opens, tap on your profile icon, which is at the bottom right in this case. When you're here, scroll down, get to storage and data. So tap there. Tap on manage storage. Now on this page, you will see that WhatsApp files shared through WhatsApp on this my iPhone has occupied 2.06 gigabytes, which is not a good one. So if you know you don't need all these files, the best you can do to get more storage space on your iPhone is to delete them. So look at where we have larger than 5 MB. Tap on that, okay? Then this displays preview of some files that were shared to your to your iPhone through the WhatsApp that are occupying your space. Tap on the select button at the top. Then at the bottom part, you will see select all. Instead of selecting them individually, let's do that first. I'll tap on select all. Then tap on the delete icon. Then tap on delete items. So these have been cleared. So I'm back to the home page. So let's get to settings and see if there is any improvement. So I'll tap on general, tap on iPhone storage. You can see we have 48.7 gigabytes of 64 gigabytes used, meaning that I have now freed up some space because I cleared a lot of files on the WhatsApp. Okay, let's talk about the last approach through which you can free up space, and that is by offloading apps. So on this page, this iPhone storage page, if you scroll down, you will see some apps and the amount of data that are occupying. If there are some apps you don't use frequently, you may take the step of maybe offloading them. Your files, your data and your documents will stay intact, but the app will not be active unless if we want to install it again. So let's go with Telegram here. I will tap on Telegram. I don't use it most times. So what I need to do is to tap on offload app. Then it says offloading Telegram will delete the app but keep its documents and data. Tap on offload app. So anytime I want to use this app, I'll get to the App Store and reinstall it. Okay.